Chapter 3: The Principle of Politeness. Let's first go through the concept of this lesson. Do you feel hurt when someone is rude to you? But wouldn't you prefer doing something for someone who says please and thank you? A person who is polite has good manners and shows respect for others. When you are polite, it means you respect and care for the other people. Be polite to everyone. It will make them happy and also make you a better person. People like doing good to those who are polite. If someone is rude to you, you don't like that person. But if someone says thank you and please and is polite, talks nicely to you or anyone else, we like to help that person. And a polite person is a person who has got good manners and shows respect to everyone. And everyone likes them too. It will make them happy also and make the other person also happy, to whom you are helpful and polite. Now we will go through the story related to the topic politeness. This story is about a rude horse. Rude means someone who doesn't talk or behave well. Once there was a farmer who had an ass and a horse. One day, the farmer was on his way to the market to sell the product from his farm. The horse trotted ahead, enjoying itself, while the ass struggled along, carrying the entire load. After some time, the ass said to the horse, "This load is too heavy for me. I will not be able to carry it all the way. Please, you share a little bit of this load with me." The impolite horse rudely scorned the ass. Asses are made to carry loads. We horses are meant to carry only people. How dare you ever ask me to share a little bit of your load? Now this story is about a farmer who had an ass and a horse. The word ass means also donkey. That is another name for a donkey. Okay, so one day the farmer was going to the market to sell some things that from his farm. So as he was going along with the horse and the donkey, the horse enjoyed its ride as it was trotting around at the way, but the ass, he had all the load on his back and he was really struggling very hard to walk or to move. After some time, the ass told the horse that, "Please, my weight is very heavy, the load that is on my back is very heavy. Can you please help me? Just share my load a little." So the horse was very impolite, very rude. He said very rudely to the ass that asses are only meant to carry. They are supposed to only carry loads, heavy loads. And horses are supposed to carry people, to take people from one place to another. And how dare a donkey, an ass, should ask a horse to ever share even a little load? He was very rude with the donkey. The horse was very, very rude with the donkey. And the poor donkey had to continue carrying the load. Let's read further. After a while, the ass collapsed and fainted on the road. Seeing this, the farmer unloaded everything from the back of the ass and loaded it onto the back of the horse for the rest of the long journey. After some time, the donkey recovered, but the farmer let him rest and did not put any load upon him. "It's a curse," thought the horse. If I had been polite and shared just a little bit of load with the ass when he requested me to, I would have had to carry only a part of the load, while the ass would have managed the rest. Now, I have to carry the entire load for the rest of the way. Now, what happened? After some time, because the ass was carrying all the load, all the things that the farmer was taking from his farm to the market to sell, the ass got very tired and he collapsed and fainted. Collapse means he fell down and he fainted. Okay. Seeing this, the farmer removed all the things that were on the ass's back and put them on the horse's back. And then he took the horse along with the load and rode the horse, while the ass walked beside them slowly without anything on himself. Now the horse realized, or he understood, that if he would have been polite with the ass and was helpful and would have taken a little load, now then for the rest of the journey he wouldn't have had to carry all the load. Now because the ass had fainted, the farmer did not put any more load on him for the rest of the journey that was still long till the market, from the farm to the market. Now the poor horse also understood that he made a mistake by being rude with the ass, and he understood that he should have been polite and carried a little load. Then it would be better. But now he has to carry all the load for the rest of the journey. And there was no one to help him now, because the farmer let the ass walk without any load, because he was still maybe a little weak and he just wanted to give him rest. So, what is the moral of the story? It is, politeness is the key to greatness. That is, we should always try to be as polite as possible to everyone around us, because that shows how great and how good you are.